In this video, we're going over how to reset your Samsung Galaxy J7 back to factory settings. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. We're going to keep it short and sweet. We're going to walk you through the process of how to reset your Samsung Galaxy J7 back to factory settings. The first thing you want to do, swipe down from the top, come to the upper right corner, click on the settings wheel. Now, once you're in settings, you're going to swipe up until you get to your cloud and accounts. From here, we're going to go to accounts again. And then any Gmail account that you see, we're just going to tap on it, hit remove account, remove. You always need to follow this step before you factory reset a phone. If not, it can brick the phone for the next person that's going to use this. So you always do this first, do that full remove. And once the account is removed, you're going to go back one step, go back one more step, and go to General Management. From here, we want to go to Reset, and then Factory Data Reset, tap here, and then you'll tap this button right here, and that will trigger the factory reset to start. It's going to erase everything off of the phone and set it up like a brand new phone. So make sure you have backed up all your important files before you hit that button, because you cannot undo it once it's done. One tip is tap here and go to the Smart Switch app. If you do have a memory card, tap on the option to back up all your files to an SD card so you can then move them to a new phone when you're ready to sign to your new phone. And that's it, guys. We're not going to do the full process, but tapping that button is the last step and you're all set. Hope you found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment down below if the video was helpful. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.